Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to file income tax return on Groww. Open the Groww app, sign in, and tap Taxes to start filing. Enter salary details or upload Form 16, then add deductions and investment proofs. Review auto-filled income and validate TDS entries before proceeding. Choose the correct ITR form, preview the return carefully, and submit with e-verification to complete filing smoothly and confidently. Start by confirming salary figures and checking auto-filled fields against Form 16 on Groww. Add interest income, capital gains, or rental income in the appropriate sections, and reconcile these with Form 26 as. If you have short-term or long-term capital gains, specify the transaction type accurately. Double-check TDS entries and correct mismatches early to avoid delays during verification and processing of your return. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more guides. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for setting timely reminders about filing and payment deadlines, and it adds a bit of fun while you work. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up. It's a small helper that keeps you organized and on track. Now let's get back to the video. On Groww, navigate to the deductions section and add ADC investments such as PF and else, then include ADD health insurance premiums. If you have home loan interest, enter the interest amount under the relevant heading and upload the lender certificate. Attach proofs for each deduction to strengthen your filing. Take your time reviewing deduction totals so your taxable income is calculated correctly before you finalize and submit your ITR.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.